why?
This category is we call it as not class.
Oh, not class. So what is your first experience using not class?
So whether the smart class, it can translate language in real time was a truly transformative experience for me. It's like as I walk through foreign city, science, and even conversation around me instantly translated before my eyes. So it making me feel more connected and confident in navigating a place where I didn't speak the language. It was like having a personal interpreter embedded in my vision using this class and seamlessly bringing cultural and linguistic gaps in a way that felt both futuristic and surprisingly natural.
Oh, I see. So that's all?
Yes, that's all my experience using this smart class.
So thank you for your information. I hope I can see you again.
Yes.
Hey bro,
Yeah,
what you
bro.
doing?
I'm still studying in radiobiology.
Oh, radiology. So are you also using not glass?
Yes, I'm using this note glass. When I use this note glass, I can see the design of the slide, just like this, sophisticated 3D training. I can see the everything smoothly when I use this glass. When I take off this glass, I can understand it well. Yes, I don't understand what is this 3D training, such as sophisticated dose delivery this. When I use it, I can see the everything clearly.
Like the new power.
Yes, I can see the everything in this class.
Okay. Thank you for your information.
Yes, thank you, bro.
Hey bro, what you doing?
Yo bro, I'm enjoying my view using my new Note class.
Oh, not glass. So this is not glass worth your money.
In my opinion, it's very worth to buy Note glass because as you can see, you can view this nice view at night and also in the morning. But in education perspective, Note glass helped me a lot in my studies. As you can see, I can properly answer my exam with a true color to get a good mark. So I think it's very worth my money to buy the Note glass again in the future. As you can know, as you all know, Note glass come with a variety of design, and I think all the generation will like Note glass, especially kids and university students. That's all from me.
Yes.
Hello.
Why? Hey. Why? Actually, I have hard time reading this room because I have dyslexia.
Oh, you can try this spec. This works so well.
Have people like me?
Yes,
Are you?
yes. You can try this.
Wow!
Is it okay?
I can really read it like a normal human.
Ah,
Thank you.
that's why I told you.
No glass for our